Good afternoon to all students. I hope you all are doing well. Students, today I am going to teach you composition for standard 4th. Students, I will show you one picture and by looking at that you should guess which composition I am going to teach you today. Yes, let me know your answers. Yes, correct. Today's topic is Republic Day. I am going to tell about Republic Day. Today we are going to learn a composition on Republic Day. Student, Republic Day is a national holiday in India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. The Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950 with the democratic government system, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. 26 January was chosen as the date for Republic Day because it was on this day in 1929 when the Declaration of Indian Independence, that is Purna Swaraj, was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress as opposed to the domain status offered by the British regime. Now let's see the today's composition, that is Republic Day. India's constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. On that day, India was declared a sovereign democratic republic. This means that India became an independent country with the president as its head. Since then, 26 January is celebrated all over India every year as Republic Day. A grand Republic Day festivity is held at New Delhi for 3 consecutive days. India shows its rich legacy and solid barrier abilities. The Indian powers, including the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force, participate in the procession. Schools, colleges, universities, and other instructive establishments also celebrate Republic Day by unfurling the national flag and singing national anthem. Students primarily participate in different competitions that are arranged for them. Students, they are participating, like you also in school, you are participating in different cultural program on 26 January. We remember our national heroes or the freedom fighters who did so much struggle for our country, especially Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who wrote the draft of India's Constitution. Republic Day spread the message of equality, brotherhood, unity, and integrity. So this much for today. Now we'll see your today's homework. Write the composition one time in your book and draw picture of Republic Day celebration. Your other homework is two activities are there. First one, make a list of freedom fighters who fought for India's freedom. And the second one is make a note of 5 things you would like to do for our country. So this much for today. Thank you, student.